I want to show you how to create an actual assignment in Google Classroom. Let me just create it here and then I'll show you what it looks like in a different class. So right here I'm going to touch the plus sign and I'm going to click create assignment. I have no students in this class right now, so nobody's going to get this assignment. This will be called Summer Writing. I created a dummy assignment. And I could put in the description here just a little bit more about the assignment, a little helper text. I could put other links. You'll notice I can make attachments right here. I can dig right into my Google Drive, which is what I'm going to do. I can attach a YouTube video, so if I have an instructional video that goes along with this assignment, or maybe the assignment is all about the video, so I would attach the video here. Also, just any general links can be attached as well. And I can decide which classes this gets assigned to. So if I click that little drop down, I can choose any or all of my classes and assign the same assignment. So if I have 8 periods of biology and I want to assign all of my periods of biology the same assignment, I could just choose all of them by turning them off and on accordingly. And then what will happen is each one of those classes will get the assignment assigned to them, and I will be able to I'll be able to see those in separate places so that I don't get them all confused. Okay, let's just assign it to this one class though. And I'm going to go right into my drive. I don't need to add any additional description because the description is in the assignment itself. Okay, so assignment, template, my summer vacation. Okay. Now my options here, here is the Google Doc. It's attached right here. I can see the name of it. This icon here indicates there's a Drive file attached. And I can go over here and select if I want my students just to view it, like it's a, just a piece of information for them, or if I want to collaborate with them, I can give them editing rights. So we could take collaborative notes or do a shared writing assignment together. That would be a great way to do that. The other thing is, and this is the magic one, make a copy for each student. So when I select that, when I assign this assignment, it's going to make a my summer vacation dash Johnny student. Okay, so each student's going to get their own document that I, as the teacher, can go in and collaborate with them on and use all the sharing of Google Docs, but no one else can see it. It'll only belong to them. And when they turn it into me, it becomes mine until I turn it back to them. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make a due date, and I'm going to make it for tomorrow, and I can optionally put a time in there, and I'm just going to click save. All right, there's the due date, there's the document, and I made a copy for each student. Now I'm going to assign it. And what will happen is, in the student view, this is going to appear right in the stream, and also up here in the corner where it'll show me that all the assignments that I have coming up in the near future if I'm a student. Additionally, if the student's in several classes, they can go to the calendar view and see everything that they have coming due that week. And if they want to go back to previous weeks, it should show the things that they had due that week as well, and on forward into the future. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to create those assignments, and when you have students, it will say, how many of them have done it of how many students you have. So in a class where I had 14 students and I just assigned this, it would say 0 done of 14. Okay, so let me go into another class and show you my Google Summit class last week. We did one of these, and look, here I did what was your favorite flavor of ice cream, and I assigned it as an assignment. 22 of them did not do it. But if I click on this, I can see who did do it and who did not do it. These are all teachers and they didn't really have to do it. And if someone did it, I can go in and assign a grade to them. In this case, this one's worth 100 points. But I can change the value of the points from 1, 20, 50, 100, or even ungraded. Basically, you did it or you didn't do it. The other thing is, someone just taught me this. If I type in a different value than is here and hit return, it's going to say, are you sure you want to update the point value of this assignment? Well, in this case, I do. I'm going to update that. And now all of the grades will be out of 30. So I'll have to go in and change this one so that it says 30 out of 30. And this one here will say 0 out of 30 because they didn't do it. Anyway, you get the idea. This isn't a replacement for any other gradebook that you use, but it's an augmentation. It's a way for you to manage the documents that you're handing out to students and easily grade them for transferring to your gradebook later.